Before we're done, let's look at some of the other apps that are available to you. So again, in my page, my course page, or my sandbox page, I'm going to go to the upper right corner and I'm going to click on the resource app area. And if I click on that, I can go to the App Center. And so these are a number of different apps that I can install. Now these are resource apps, which is why that little icon is there. So we've installed those already in our resource area. I've already installed the Google Drive assignment app, but there's one for Edpuzzle, Nearpod. I don't know if you use OneNote. Some of these are paid. Get it? Some of these are paid. BrainPop. Conferences allows you to do kind of Zoom, if you will, from within inside the Schoology platform. So you could actually host kind of a Zoom event with your classes from within Schoology. And there's a nice whiteboard feature and a meeting record feature. It's actually pretty cool. Quizlets. CK12 app, there's a number of great books and activities there. TED, Screencast-O-Matic, a lot of things there. So install the things that you think you'll use. If I was going to install any of these right away, probably the first thing I would probably do is go up here and I would install Edpuzzle. So if you're using videos through remote teaching this coming fall, you can at least link some questions and kind of check to see that your kids are actually watching those videos. So again, that's an overview of the app area that you can install. I hope this has been helpful.